All right, so for this one, shoot, let me get rid of these extra things. There we go. For this one, actually, I don't need the Miro board. Let me make this big. For this type of problem, what we want to do is graph the line with slope -3 and y-intercept 8. So remember, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So this is the value when x equals 0, y equals 8. So when x equals 0, y equals 8, so that's this point here. So we're going to start by graphing that point. That's the point that is the y-intercept, +8. And then after we graph that, we can use the slope. So remember, the slope is rise divided by run. So a slope of -3 is the same as a slope of -3 divided by 1. So the rise is -3, which means we're going to go down 3, and then the run is 1, so we'll go to the right 1. So our second point we can get by going down 3, 1, 2, 3, from 8 to 5, and always go to the right. So the negative tells me whether the slope is negative or positive, tells me whether I'm going up or down. Negative slope, you go down. Positive slope, you go up. And then you're always going to the right by the denominator. So the denominator is 1, so we go to the right 1. And this is our second point. Didn't work. This is our second point, right? Oops. No, it's not. Let me delete that one. Nope. Okay, we'll start over. Our first point is at 8, and our second point we go down 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Right, and that's our second point. And then once we have our 2 points, we can grab this and we can just put these in. So this is a line with negative slope because it's going downhill as we're going from left to right. So negative slope will look like it's going down. A positive slope will look like it's going up. So always check and make sure that you did do it in the right direction. All right, let's do a couple more of these. Okay, now we have a y-intercept of -3. So we're going to take the pencil, and the y-intercept is -3. And then the slope is 2/5. So the rise is 2 and the run is 5. So this has a positive slope. So I'm going to start at my -3. I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my second point. And notice I can do it again. So I can go up 2, 1, 2, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I can't go 5 because I don't have enough room. But anyway, basically you can start with any point on the graph. So that's why this is a point on the graph. So I can start at any point on the graph, and the slope will give me another point. So let's go ahead and connect these. You have to click on each point like that, and that's how you connect them. And then we can check. Okay, let's do one more, and maybe this time I'll be able to show you. I might be able to show you that I can do 2 points, but probably not. It's not going to give me enough space. All right, so this time the y-intercept is -6, and then the slope is -1/4. That means I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 4. So I'm going to start at -6 and go down 1 and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just to show you another point on the graph, I can start, this is a point on the graph, so I can start at this point and go down 1 and to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I just want to show you that those points are indeed all 3 on the graph. Okay, so basically anytime I go down 1 and to the right 4, anywhere I start in the line, down 1 to the right 4, I'll find another point on the graph. I can also go over here, look. I can start at this point, which is on the line, and go down 1 and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another point on the graph.